Play with you, Vicky.
Give me a kiss.
Bees were living in this trash bin and I was called to remove them. And it was another great day of saving the bees.
Gostoso? Prova aí, neném.
Sometimes I go to sleep and I cry, asking God why.
Leo, do you want to go? Okay.
Get up.
Hey. What? What's happening?
Anything off his financials? Mr. Hartley doesn't own any property. He spends all his time at work, credit cards and lots.
Come here. Whoa.
What are you doing, pretty girl?
Pretty girl. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ozzy, are you alright, buddy?
Lesbians. Oops. I think I offended her.
Honey, you use fine, and that's the day that you want to paw. Paw. Rhea, look, paw. Do paw. Rhea, paw. Paw. Look, paw.
Babe! Babe!
Oh my God! Please, please, please! No, 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 no! Please go back.
Shit, all I remember going out, I didn't even blow you down the shower either.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
just remember when I did go out.
You're not innocent. Come on. Get up, dude. Come on.
แต่ละมือแต่ละ day have the name I think 1 วันนี่ thousand situations ปวดให้กลุ่มฮอต
Hi, Stella.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Dude, this is fucking legendary. Look at this. Look at this. Just look. It's like she just had a whole meal. Aspen! Go to share.
Here.
You've got this whole yard. And they got to play right here.
I'm already going through a lot of shit right now. Leave me the fuck alone.
Right.
You are amazing. Whoa, Wilbur!
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I just can't help myself. I'm acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I wanna get you home and double up.
Oh! Yo, what's up?
Fastball. Here it is.
Look at this. Back at it again, Mr. Beaver. Look at this. Pretty.
Sige lagu kaki onda, che.
No jumping. Now, why would you sneak and jump on Jermaine? Get Sebastian. I'm finna whoop you.
Huh?
我摸吧，我摸摸，我摸吧，我摸吧，怎么了？我摸吧，我摸一摸，我摸摸，我摸吧，我摸吧。
Oh my goodness.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just.
Oh, Christ.
No.
Right? What's this?
Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. 1, 2, 3. No, déjeme que yo. No me agarre. Ahora vos.
Are you ready to go to Betty's? You want to go to Betty's?
I think you're a little too big for that. Okay.
Okay, Maybell. Wanna go walkies? Wanna go walkies? Hey?
La perra no puede ser tan egoísta como vos, la perra.
No, yo no puedo creer.
Hi.
Say what's up, hey. Say what's up.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I
Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak?
But I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna turn Walter Ben nutty. If someone you
Do-
know
do-
is
do- do-
dead.
Oh, are you okay, Loop? That was karma. That was karma.
Stop it. You don't talk to me like that, lady.
Hey!
When your dog like his woman BBW, but she's not interested.
Come on then.
Come on. Careful, careful. Oh! Oh!
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
You wanna go for walkies?
Buzzle.
Move, bitch!
All because he didn't want his nails clipped.
Hide. Hide. Get back. Good.
Go. Go get it. Go. Go get it. Go, Cooper. Oh no!
Alam mo, Arjun,
No, I don't want more. Ay, que bonito na.
Go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at.
Sit. Hey, good boy. Oh, Michael! There he goes.
Careful, careful. Oh!
You want this cheese full? Oh my God! Hey! Hey!
Oh, I love you. Oh, God. Oh, thank you. Like that. Get it. Get it. Up, right? You're going to get. Oh, thank you.
What I thought I was getting versus what I got.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Come on, what's the word? Rescue of a sausage.
I don't know what he's doing.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Hey, it's Sammy's turn. Oh!
Jump up on the dock.
Benny is over here. Benny.
Did you take those cookies?
Waking up. It's time to go.
Oh my God!
Gracie, you want to go outside? Go outside? Go outside?